Hi guys, today I will tell you about how to fix a slow computer on Windows 10. Waiting for a slow creaking computer to turn through a simple task is one of life's biggest annoyances. When a swift boot to its side fails, you can follow the step to fixing your slow PC. And the first thing that you can do is you can go to setting. And go to setting. And you can go to setting and click app and feature here, and you can find a list of applications that been installed on your PC. And you can see on this side, this is the size of the application that been installed in your PC. You can see, and you can most of these you never use application, and some of them can often run in the background without you knowing, and it's can make slowing your computer down in the process. So my tip is to erase the application that you are not use. And how to do that is, for example, I want to erase it, and just click, and you can see this is uninstall button. You can just click it and make this disappear from your PC and make your PC work more faster. Or you can also delete temporary file. Whenever you use Internet Explorer, just like on your Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or anything, the history of that remains in the depth of your PC. The same thing happens when you install something. It's like never throwing away the packaging when you buy a new TV, and by doing so, free up space on your system. To get rid of all this clutter, you can open your computer file. It's like that. This is my computer file. You can see, and you can find your drive. This is my drive, and you can just double click here, and you find a lot of folder here, and click this Windows folder, double click, and you can searching for temp. Now you can see this is the temp folder. You just double click again, and you see this is a lot of rubbish that we can clean it. We can select all of this item, all of this, or you by simply think you can click one and click Ctrl+A to select all, just like that, and you can click delete on your keyboard, or you can right click and you can see the delete menu here, and just click, and all the file is delayed, but you need to provide administrative procedures to select the folder. Okay, you can just skip that if you have found that. Okay, just skip. And this is the file that we can't erase because this is the default file that we don't delete it because it's important file. And the next tips is you can go through your recycle bin, and you can see this is a lot of file that you've been deleted before, and this time you can delete it like before. Just select all and delete. Are you sure you won't permanently delete this item? Just click yes, and you must wait for this process finish. And this is the way, the 3 steps to make your computer more faster. Of course, this is a simple trick that you can do. Just easy, right? You can do this by yourself. Okay, and it's done. When everything is done, your computer will look like normally more faster than before. It's like that. If you want the best result, you can restart your computer first before you go to do your activities on your computer. Okay, maybe that's enough video that I can convey about how to fix a slow computer on Windows 10. I hope it can be useful. See you in the next video.